Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the Instagram trending name intro reels edit using Capcut. It's stylish, easy, and perfect if you want to make your name pop in a reel. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Capcut and then just import your main clips, and even you can import your music too. And then just choose the ratio that you like, but usually 9:16 words best for Instagram reels. And next, let's freeze the last frame of your clips and duplicate it. And then make it as an overlay. And then just place it over to the main clips like this. And then just select the overlay clips and then remove the background. Go to remove background. And then you can choose custom removal or just choose auto removal for remove the background automatically. Like this. And then just go to stroke. And then just choose stroke styles that you like and adjust the size, opacity, like this. And next, let's add effects. Just go to effects, this one, and then just search for vintage poster. This one, just click on it, like this, and then just go to objects, this one, and then choose main video, and then add keyframes at the start and end of the effects. And next, let's adjust the texture and color, make it full at the end, like this, and then just make it to 0 at the start, like this, like this. And next, now add a solid colored background clips. Just pick any color that fits your vibe. And next, just make it as an overlay like this, and then just place it as overlay between the main clips and the cut out clips. You can just go to layer and then go to splice and then choose burn, this one, so it will look like this. And then just apply a mask, this one, and then choose circle. Just adjust the feather, maybe like this, and then use a keyframes to animate the mask. Add a keyframes at the start and the end, like this. And at the start, makes a mask small, like this. And at the end, just expand it so it fills the screen like this. Like this, so it will look like this. Like this. And next, now it's time to add your name. Just insert text, go to text and add text. And then just insert your name and then just customize the font, styles, and position it where you want. And then in this tutorial, I will animate it with a keyframes. But first, just place the tag underneath the cutout layer. And then add keyframes at the start and the end, like this. And at the start keyframes, just make it small and hidden behind the cutout like this. So it will look like this. The text will close and move out, no longer covered by the cutout, like this. And last, for the finishing touch, just add effects again, and then just search for camera shake, this one, and then go to objects, and then choose all videos, and then use keyframes again at the start and the end, like this, and set the speed to 0 at the beginning, so it will look like this. And the last, your video will look like this, like that. And next, if your video has multiple people, you can repeat this process for each person to give everyone a cool name intro. And okay, that's it. You have just made the trending name intro edit in Capcut. Just try it out and then add your own styles and make your reel stand out. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.